This is Jay from Fresh Vintage, and in this video we are going to show you how to replace a mode door actuator in your 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord. The reason that we are replacing the mode door is because when you push the defrost, floor, or vent button, the air only comes out of the front vents. From the previous video we released, we have replaced the HVAC control unit, and that didn't fix the problem. The next thing to replace is the mode door actuator. In this video, we will show you how that is done. Okay, so we found out there's two different blend doors. The one for the hot cold is called a blend door actuator, and the one for these is called a mode door. The mode door is on the left, driver's side. The blend door is on the right, passenger side. They're both pretty similar. They are different motors, so you will have to figure out which one you need. I hope this helps. Thank you. Replace the HVAC controls. That didn't fix it. We're going to try to replace the mode door actuators. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Luckily, my friend Mike has let us use his garage because it's rainy and cold here in Virginia. So stay tuned, we're gonna see what we find out. All right, so to gain access, we're gonna have to take this panel off to get to the mode door actuator back here. So take this out, and there's a screw here. And this should pop out. I might be missing another one, so. Yeah, oh, yep, there's one there. Good eye, right here. Fancy brass one. Jeez, I think I know how to take us. Bolt out. There we go. And these just pop out just like that. And that fell off. Oh, that's from my radio. All right. And you can see it back in there. That's where we're going to be working. All right. So we got the new unit here, and it matches. So I'm going to start taking the old one out, and we'll put the new one in and see what happens. So what we need to do is take the mode door actuator off and switch over the moving pieces. So for this, we need to unplug a little green harness and pull it off. And what you do for these, it's hard to get a video of it, but you push this up and this thing pivots, then you can get the linkage off. And same here, so they're both off. And pull the linkage out there, pull the linkage out there. There's two screws here. One there, one up higher. So I'm going to take those out, and the mode door will come right off. So I've hooked the connector to the new one just to see if it moves, and I'm going to hit the defrost and button and all that and see if it moves. So yeah. Very slight, but you can see it move. So the new mode door works. I think we're good. All right, I think we push this back and it should just pop up. So be careful, you don't want to break this or back to the junkyard. It's recording. All right, I'm gonna try to do this while he pries at the bottom. very gently. And just boom.
You just have to tweak it. So
Yeah.
it's a deep depression.
There we go. See the little detent right there? And I think you just push it on and it should pop on. Click. Done. We took it apart just because we're curious, but we're thinking it might have a little bit burned contacts here. Maybe burn it up here. Hard to say, but we'll figure it out. This is what it looks like when you have the old mode door out. You got the 2 holes for the bolts. So it's a little harder to record when you're trying to put this on. So I'll put the 2 bolts in and see. All right, we've got the new motor installed. So let me try and reach up here. And yeah, you can see it move there. Focus in here. See it moving? Yeah, it works. So we just have to put everything back together. By the way, the bolt there is really tough to get to. I would recommend using a small socket and wrench. A 9/32 worked, so we use that. So we're gonna put everything back together and we're calling it a day. All right, just put it back the way you had it. Line these 2 holes up, and there's little push pins that line up in there. Thanks for watching.